Hey Mom. Aloha David, Benjamin, Chana, Lohon, Maya. This is birthday present. Da-da-da-dum. Wasn't expecting it for another few days. And I got a message that it was delivered. So here it is. And this will be the first time you and anybody gets to hear me play it. Wow. Alright, beautiful, beautiful color. I imagine this is where the mouthpiece will be. What is that? Oh, am I going to be able to play it? We'll see. Oh. Aha. Okay. One side of it. Maybe that's not the mouthpiece. What we got here? Oh yeah, that's the mouthpiece. Verdict? I like it a lot. Super fun. Yay, thanks so much. Definitely going to help me manifest some dreams. I was just practicing with my new stand, which you'll get to experience shortly. So I can now play hands-free and yeah, do more things. Okay, love you, thank you so much. Mwah. Such a blessing, and I look forward to connecting soon. Love y'all. Mahalo.